Hey guys, Glen, welcome to my review of Ace TikTok videos, viral video creation, magic craziness. First off, I'm gonna show you the sales page. We're gonna show you the back end, and I'm gonna show you my bonuses, which is probably what you're gonna be most interested in. Although Ace is pretty amazing. Like this software is really cool. Right now, like TikTok is hot, guys. Like if you want free traffic, free leads, TikTok is hot. You can send anything to ClickBank, to WarriorPlus, to Jvzoo, whatever you're promoting. You can use TikTok videos to do it, and you just the thing is find existing TikTok videos that work and then repurpose them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you. I'm going to jump over to the sales page so you can kind of get a look at it. Let me jump over there. There we go. Oh, this is the back office. Let's go to the sales page here. There we go. Okay, sales page. Atlast, a software that flat out works like crazy. Oh, by the way, guys, hit subscribe. Make sure that you subscribe. If you're on my blog, you'll see the link below. If not, if you're on YouTube, you'll just be taken to my blog where you can see what my bonuses are. But first off, we simply select from 15,000 inbuilt viral TikToks, hit go, and enjoy 51.42 every 7 minutes in ClickBank sales. So they're selling a certain product on ClickBank. I don't know which one it is, but basically they're profiting 51 bucks every 7 minutes, which is actually, ClickBank is really easy to do, guys. If you have the right traffic, you can be making sales on ClickBank every day, just like WarriorPlus, just like Jvzoo. We're in the information era. People are buying products. They want to learn how to do things, and that's why you want to be selling info stuff. And what you want to do is you want to be able to get your message out as quick as possible. And TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, all these social media platforms are the perfect place to get tons of free traffic as long as you don't have to do a ton of work. So if you had to do all the work yourself, it'd take forever and you'd be probably burnt out. But this is going to show you a super fast way to do it. All right, so get AutoPilot traffic in 30 seconds. We enjoy nonstop ClickBank sales. Early users already seeing results. Attain financial peace of mind. Works for literally anyone. Quit your job, travel, become free, blah, 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 blah. So there's a big, long sales page, guys. There's a ton of stuff in here. They have great bonuses. I have extra bonuses. They have bonuses here. I have extra bonuses. We'll pop over to my bonus page here so you can see what I'm going to be giving you guys. I'm gonna do an email blast out to you for the first 10,000 targeted buyers. So I have a list of just people that buy on my list. We'll send you any link you want to that. You get a 45-minute strategies one-on-one session with me. I know a lot of people give away a ton of other stuff, but I'd rather just let's talk for 45 minutes. Let's get on Skype, get on Zoom, whatever you want to do. We'll do 45 minutes. We'll see where you're at, where you want to go, what you want to do. Just sort of, have someone to talk to. I think this is one of the things that people are struggling. They don't know what to do, how to get started. So we can do that, and we'll just show you one or two simple methods using this software and get out there and do it. And then number 3, you can get my top converting 10K per month lead funnel, which basically you guys could actually basically point your TikTok videos to this once you have it set up, and you can be making 100% commissions on that instead of making 50 to 75 commissions on a ClickBank product or anything. You can actually make 100% commissions on the upgrades in there. So very, very cool. Plus, I've got the vendors bonuses, which they're giving away a ton of their products. So they're going to give all these products away: Matic, Slick, Crown, Genie, Aura, Viper, Zest, Magic, Omega, View to Profit, Charm, Prime, Delta, Genius. So I own most of those guys, and they're all great programs. And again, you can use all those techniques. So once you get the TikTok ones going, and you're only spending a few minutes a day, you can go out and start using other strategies to get more traffic to your link. So that's what we're going to be giving away today. We'll go over to so you guys can go through the sales page, but I think, let me just refresh this. Reload. Let's see. So it says 17 bucks, but if you go to scroll off, you get $4 off. So you get it for $13, guys. Get started for $13. And there's a bump on the front. I always get the bump because they usually offer you something extremely valuable for like 10 bucks or something like that. So it's really awesome to get that bump on an order form. Okay, going over to the software. Really easy. They've got training right away. They give you all the video training on how to use the product. They've got done for you campaigns. They show you how to get your affiliate offers. So you've got you can search your CB products here. So they have a ton of CB products. You just go grab it, put get the link and put your ID in. They have all the trending TikTok videos, and these are what you're going to be repurposing to basically sell whatever you're selling, whatever niche you want to be working in. You can download the all these TikTok videos, boom, 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 and then you just upload them. This is super, super easy to use, guys. Show you TikTok hashtags. You just put in, let's say you're doing weight loss. So you just search. No data available. Not trending. Search. Oh, I wonder. Let's just search blank. So was this what's trending? E-commerce. Let's see if diet's trending. No. Let's see. Options. I'm not sure exactly how to use this, guys. I'll have to look at the instructions. So keyword e-commerce. Oh, I see. They've already searched these guys, and then you can just download the information there. So that's cool. ClickBank affiliate pages. So these guys, you can just design these. You just grab one of these, and what you want to do is basically you want to capture their email and then send them to your link. I'll show you the show you one of the pages here. Let's copy this. We'll go over here, new page. So answer 14 questions, which will change the way you market, right? You're going to capture their email. You just connect your autoresponder for it. If you don't have an autoresponder, guys, you could just go do a little bridge page here and just click straight to it. If you don't want to collect emails, but I recommend collecting emails, and you're going to learn that in the free funnel I'm giving you. But you could just put the instant access to the program. So say it's a diet program, you could put a book here, quickly design that. Those templates are really simple to use. Let's go back here. Page traffic sources. So you can just select a page, right? And then you can just post it to whichever one of these that you've hooked up already. Done for you campaigns. So affiliate offers. Again, here's all the affiliate offers you guys can grab. These are 50 times affiliate. So you just go there, request it. Say I have Ace TikTok, and you'll get approved for that. There's stock video. This downloads it. Stock music, it downloads it. Email swipes. They have tons of, like, if you're doing email marketing, they give you a ton of swipes in here to use. Basically, those are the swipes. And then it's got done for you 100K leads. So it's a really powerful program for $13, guys. Going through the upgrades. Let me find the JV doc. Here it is. The upgrades are. Where are the upgrades? There we go. Okay, so the front end is $17. Unlimited is $97. The done for you setup $297. So they set it all up for you guys if you're not that techie. AutoPilot, your customers will be able to activate all the automation tools within Ace. So there's some stuff you do manually and some stuff you'll be able to automate. An extra 200 done for you campaigns for $39. And the franchise edition, customers will get bumped up to 85% across the entire funnel. So if you want to go sell this as your product, then you'd be able to make the 85% across the board. So again, guys, my bonuses: email blast 10,000 targeted buyers, 45-minute one-on-one session, my top converting 110K per month, and all these, and that's what you're going to get if you go pick it up through my link. So let's go back onto my camera here. So that's it, guys. That is Ace TikTok video, a viral video poster tool, whatever you want to call it, the Ace app. I love these kind of programs that are just simple to use. You just basically just follow the instructions. Don't try to overthink it. Don't get bogged down on thinking about it too much. Just post the stuff. Make mistakes. If you make a mistake, who cares? You just do it again. Do it again until you get it right. I know people get their TikTok banned. What do? They just go create a new profile. It's so fast, right? And guys, I don't know if you know this. If you're not on TikTok, every time you post a TikTok, you can post that same thing to Instagram. So you're kind of getting two birds with one stone. Boom! It gets posted over to Instagram, and you've got all this free traffic coming in. So I highly recommend it. Down below is going to take you over to my blog where the link is to pick it up. And I totally recommend picking this thing up and using it. And that is how you're going to be making money with Ace TikTok video. Now, if this isn't for you, click down below the link that goes to my blog. I'll put my number one business that I love, that I think everyone should be a part of. If you're in anything making money online, you need to be part of this program. It teaches you how exactly to do everything. And I'll also put, what else will I put there? I don't know. I'll put another link in there. But basically, go grab Ace, go use it. And if you have any problems with it, make sure that you use that 45-minute one-on-one strategy session with me. Get your 10,000 targeted buyers. We send your link out, get all those things, and that's it. All right, guys, that's it. This has been my review of Ace TikTok video viral app, and I will see you on the next one. Cheers.